Now let us discuss 61. The biodegradable polymer is. Among the four options, which one is biodegradable polymer? Now let us try to understand what you meant by biodegradable polymers are the polymers which are degraded by the microorganisms with a suitable period. So that these biodegradable polymers and their degraded products do not cause any serious effect to environment, which means the polymers which are biodegradable in nature, they are degraded. That means disintegrated to small pieces by the action of microorganisms which are dissolved in earth surfaces. By you conclude that these are not cause any serious effects to the environment and the human beings. There are two biodegradable polymers are present. The first one is PHBV and second one is nylon 2, nylon 6. Now let us see the full form and the structure of PHBV. Its full form is polybeta hydroxy butyrate and co-beta hydroxy valerate. Now let us see its preparation. The PHBV is prepared by reaction of 3-hydroxy butanoic acid plus 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Its structures are 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-hydroxybutanoic acid plus here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This structure is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. And these two undergoes condensation to form PHBV. Now let us see the preparation of nylon 2, nylon 6. When glycine plus amine caproic acid. Glycine structure is H2N bond CH2 bond COOH plus H2N bond CH2 whole 5 bond COOH on condensation to form nylon 2 and nylon 6. Here nylon 2 and nylon 6 are biodegradable polymers. So option 2 is our correct answer.